Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
All right, good evening. Welcome to the Board of License Commission hearing for Wednesday, March 25th. I'd like to start our meeting at 5:37 p.m. I'm getting something coming through. I don't know what that is. But anyway, as we move forward, the first item on the agenda is the approval of the minutes. Have all commissioners perused the minutes? If there are any corrections or additions?
I didn't see any.
Didn't see anything?
Nope.
Oh, some very brief minutes. Okay, thank you very much. I'd like to make a motion to approve the minutes for Wednesday, March 11th, 2026. Do I hear a second?
Second.
Commissioner D'Angelo and Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
Commissioner Safransky,
Yes.
and Commissioner K, yes. So we do have approval of the March 11th minutes. Next item on the agenda is a petition for a new car dealer, Class 2 used car license for LA Auto Sales and Services, LLC DBA LA Auto Sales and Services located at 715-719 Liberty Street. Omar Al Qadri, manager of record, a special permit, scheduled to meet with the City Council on March 23rd, 2026. Is there any representation for this item?
Yes, he's present with me, Commissioner Cade. We have this scenario for a number of applicants today. So he did meet with the planning board on Monday, but he is not going to have a special permit until April 13th. I don't have confirmation that I've seen, not that I'm questioning, he's telling me he did get it. But I have not seen anything or been able to confirm. Generally, our practice is to continue it, but that ultimately that's up to you. The date that would make sense when he will have it in hand is April 22nd.
Okay, April 22nd. Commissioners, any comments relative to this? Do you think we should give it to him pending or just wait for continuance?
I think we wait for continuance.
All right, all right. Other commissioners feel the same way?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I make a motion that we continue the petition for the new car dealer Class 2 used car license for LA Auto Sales and Services, LLC, DBA LA Auto Sales and Service located at 715-719 Liberty Street, Omar El Qadri, manager of record for this special needed permit. So we'll see you back April 22nd.
Thank you.
Right,
Commissioner, just for the record, I just want to state this was no fault of the applicant. He's been very diligent. This was due to the weather.
Okay.
Just wanted to put that on the record.
All right, thank you very much. Do I hear a second?
Second.
All right, Commissioner D'Angelo Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
Commissioner Safransky.
Yes.
That's like 4 or 5. Commissioner K, yes. All right, so we'll see you back April 22nd.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. The next item is new business, the 2026 seasonal retail license renewals. The first one is the Pit Stop and Fuel Incorporated, located at 736-740 Boston Road. Any representation here tonight? All right.
I believe
I heard
they
Ricky
are on the
Sanchez
Zoom.
here, but I was told that we shouldn't be speaking on this matter.
It's so Commissioner Cade, all of these renewals are in good stead. So essentially they renew automatically.
Okay.
And that's the case for all three. So we can just vote to approve those renewals.
All right. Thank you very much. For Pit Stop and Fuel, located at 736-740 Boston Road, we have Springfield Lodge of Elks located at 440 in the rear of Tiffany Street, and Clubhouse Cafe LLC located at 617 Dwight Street. I make a motion to renew the licenses, seasonal licenses for all three. Do I hear a second?
Second.
All right. Commissioner D'Angelo Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
Commissioner Safransky,
Yes.
and Commissioner Cade, yes. So all three are renewed. All right. Going to our next item is the petition for a new car dealer Class 2 used car license for AG Auto Group LLC, DBA AG Auto Group LLC, located at 2013 Worcester Street, Garval Treeman, manager of record. Any representation here?
They're present in person in the room with me, and I do want to thank them for fixing our conference equipment for the meeting tonight, which I really appreciate. But they are here in person. They're in the exact same situation as the prior dealer in that they met with the planning board on Monday. You were approved? Yes. They're approved. I've seen no confirmation of it. So generally, again, we continue it. That April 22nd date would be the date.
All right, thank you, attorney. I'd like to make a motion that we continue the petition for a new car dealer Class 2 car dealers. I'm sorry, that's the right one. No, I'm sorry. That we continue the petition for a new car dealer Class 2 used car license for AG Auto Group LLC, DBA AG Auto Group LLC, located at 2013 Worcester Street, Garval Treeman, manager of record until April 22nd. Do I hear a second?
Second.
All right, Commissioner D'Angelo Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
and Commissioner Safransky,
Yes.
and Commissioner Cade, yes. So we will see you back on April 22nd. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much for handling our technical difficulties tonight.
Commissioner Cade, just to let you know, the applicant has shown me the special permit paperwork has been approved. I don't know if he wants to make further argument in light of the motion that you made, but he does have an email showing that he has that approval.
Okay, commissioners, would you like to extract that petition for continuance?
I'm in favor of it.
Okay, all right. So we would like to then, anyone else, any other commissioners?
No.
All right. Yep, okay. With that, we would like to make a motion to approve the petition for the new car Class 2 used car license for AG Auto Group LLC, DBA AG Auto Group LLC, located at 2013 Worcester Street, Garval Treeman, manager of record. Do I hear a second?
Second.
All right, Commissioner D'Angelo Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
Commissioner Safransky,
Yes.
and Commissioner Cade, yes. So you are approved. Thank you very much for coming tonight.
To be clear, that approval is subject to actually having the special permit in hand, and your license will not be given to it until you have that special permit. So you're not going to have a license from us until April 13th at the earliest, anyways. Just so you understand.
Okay. So we don't have to come back for another hearing.
Correct.
Thank you.
All right, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you
so much. Thank you, gentlemen.
All right, the next petition, the next item is a petition for a new car dealer, Class 2 used car license for Driveland Motors, LLC, DBA Driveland Motors, located at 880 Boston Road, Mohammed Rajab, manager of record. Any representation here tonight?
Yep, Josh Goldstein from Bacon Wilson here on behalf of the applicant. I'll just kind
Okay.
of jump. Yep. So we're in a similar position as the previous parties, although I did get proof of the special permit approval over to licensing and Attorney Schmidt earlier today. So our client is under agreement to purchase the property located at 880 Boston Road, which is currently being used as a used car dealership known as Thrifty Car Sales. And our sale is contingent upon us getting, all the necessary permits and licenses to operate a used car dealership at the premises. The applicant is an experienced automobile dealer himself, has been operating a used car dealership known as Geneva Auto Sales in West Springfield for over 5 years now. He's never had any violation complaints or anything like that. Has always maintained the premises in a clean and sanitary condition and in compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. If this is approved, the applicant will slowly transition his existing dealership over to this location and only operate out of this location. This lot is slightly bigger, and the special permit allows the applicant to sell or to display up to 50 motor vehicles for sale. We're kind of in a similar, like I mentioned, we're in a similar position as to many other people. We met with the neighborhood council on January 13th, and that was unanimously approved. We were supposed to go in front of the city council for the special permit on January 23rd. That was canceled due to snowstorm, then rescheduled to February 23rd. That was again canceled due to a snowstorm. So we received approval of the special permit last night. And I forwarded proof over to Attorney Schmidt and the License Commission. So I guess, similar to the last one, we respectfully request that you approve our application, of course, subject to receipt and issuance of the actual special permit, which I'm set to pick up on April 13th.
Thank you very much, Attorney. Any comments, commissioners? Seems like we're in the same situation as the others.
Yeah.
Would you like to move forward with this pending the actual license?
Sure. I think we should treat it as the previous one that we just heard.
So it
Okay.
would just be a motion to issue the license contingent on production of the special permit.
Okay. So we would like to issue the petition for a new car contingent on the permit that is forthcoming. Licensee for Driveland Motors, LLC, DBA, Driveland Motors located at 880 Boston Road, Mohammed Raja, manager of record. Do I hear a second?
Second.
Okay. Commissioner D'Angelo Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
Commissioner Safransky,
Yes.
and Commissioner Cade, yes. Thank you very much for coming tonight.
Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Hey, Commissioner
next-
Cade, before we move on to item 4 under new business, would it be possible if we could revisit the continued new petition, item number 1, LA Auto Sales, hearing the subsequent hearings? Mr. El Kadri was able to show me his approval email. And so he's hoping you will now make a motion to approve him subject to obtaining the special permit.
All right, so if we reflect back to the first item, I'd like to make a motion for petition subject to the actual receiver of the license for a new car dealer, class 2, for a LA Auto Sales and Service, LLC, DBA, LA Auto Sales and Services located at 715, 719 Liberty Street, Omar El Kadri, manager of record. And of course, we would like to hear if we have a second on this.
Second.
Okay, Commissioner D'Angelo Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
and Commissioner Safransky,
Yes.
and Commissioner Cade, yes. So thank you very much for coming back. Thank you so much. All right, take care.
Thank you.
All right, the next item is item number 4. Petition for a new car dealer class 3 junkyard. Automotive service and repair, including aftermarket parts, sales, and related services license for Wilson Performance Shop, LLC, DBA, Wilson Performance Shop, located at 11 Front Suite. FG Michael Wilson, manager of record.
Mr. Wilson is present with me,
Okay.
Commissioner Cade, and just to be clear, this is not an application. So, we have class 3 labeled as junkyard. This is not a junkyard license. It's not a request for a junkyard license. So he's just looking for a class 3 for parts salvage. So we don't need to get into any of that. I've confirmed with him ahead of time that he is not opening a junkyard.
Okay, thank you very much. Any remarks, conversation, anything you'd like to bring out? Other than that,
Oh, hello, my name.
commissioners? Yeah, go ahead.
Tell him what you're planning on doing.
Yes. Hello, my name is Mike Wilson. I've been in the automotive industry for over 15 years. I've worked for a number of dealerships. Toyota, I was certified through them, schooling through Honda. I am ASC certified. I wanted to open my own business because I've been in love with cars since I was a kid. I want to be a part of the automotive community. I've been photographing vehicles all up and down the East Coast, all around the country, been overseas a few times. I like to, what would you say, be a part of automotive culture, represent that. I was a Mass State inspector. So I just like automotive culture and being a part of the community. Held several events for a charity many years ago.
All right.
Cars. So I want to keep people's cars safe and on the road. I understand a lot of shops are going away and it's getting more difficult to get into the industry. It would be nice to hold like workshops and things like that.
All right.
Kind of the short
So you
version.
want to be a part of the automotive culture. Do you have specialty cars or something like that?
I mean, my own. I have a 71 Mustang that I've had for 20 years. I have a 95 Mazda Protege that I've had for 20 years. I've had 2 Celicas, one I just got recently, and another one that I've had for 10 years that I just got on the road. So
Okay.
I'm aware of all the laws, rules, and regulations in regards to Mass State inspection, all that sort of thing.
All right. Commissioners, any questions, comments?
No.
No. Okay, then I would like to make a motion. Petition for a new car dealer, class 3, a licensed automotive service and repair, including aftermarket part sales and related services license for Wilson Performance Shop, LLC, DBA Wilson Performance Shop, located at 11 Front Street, Suite FG. Michael Wilson, manager of record. Do I hear second?
Second.
Okay, Commissioner D'Angelo Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
Commissioner Stefanski,
Yes.
and Commissioner Cade, yes. Thank you very much. Good luck.
Thank you.
First time new dealer. All right, thank you. All right, we have a pre-hearing conference next. I don't know if anyone is online or in the office, but pre-hearing conference for MVP Auto Sales LLC, DBA MVP Auto Sales, located at 1213 Wilson Street, Indian Orchard. Maurice Spencer, manager of record. Incident of 12/10/25. Is there anyone present?
I don't believe anyone was here. If the commissioners will remember, this was the, pretty serious car issue where the structure of the car essentially fell apart after it left the dealership. We had the very frustrated gentleman when he learned that we weren't really the entity to give him financial damages. I believe the commission's intent was to create a record that we had a pre-hearing conference, that we took it this far, and it's something that we'll be aware of with regard to MVP auto sales. My information is that they are likely shut down. But that being said, we wanted to create a record of it. At this point, with no cooperation, from the alleged victim, I don't know if the commissioners want to close the matter, reschedule it, but I don't anticipate cooperation at this point.
Okay, my concern is I see that it's the same address as one of the newly petitioned for a new car dealership.
Correct.
so-
And
yeah.
we're aware of that, and this license is going to have to be given to us as part of that. We're expecting to actually receive that license. That
I'm
being
just hoping
said,
that it's not the business change names and stuff like that, and it's still okay.
new ownership.
Mhm.
It's a completely new entity.
Oh, okay. So commissioners, would you like to just terminate the pre-hearing conference?
So are we
What would
closing
you
this
like?
matter?
Well, that's the question. Would you like to?
And Commissioner Ramirez, as we discussed, I don't know if it was a couple hearings ago, I'm going to keep track of these names so that if we get new applications, we're not in a situation where we have someone we've had issues with and then they're reappearing, which we're all well aware has happened. So I intend to, be aware of the manager's name. And if we see it again, I'll be able to flag it.
Okay.
Now, just a question. If we see it again and he's already operative, what happens? Do we administer some kind of punishment or?
Well, I think we should definitely address the matter with him at minimum.
Okay.
To have a discussion about it, and we could reopen the matter if we wanted to. Almost like a closing it without prejudice, like you would do in court. We could reopen it. However the commission wants to handle it. But as far as I'm aware, I think this is going to be a non-entity going forward.
Okay.
All right, commissioners, anything? What is your preference? Should we close it, leave it open, close it without prejudice?
I think we should close it without prejudices.
Okay. Other commissioners, same thing?
I'm in agreement.
Okay. So I make a motion that we close this particular item without prejudice, and it is the MVP Auto Sales LLC DBA MVP Auto Sales located at 1213 Worcester Street in Union Orchard. Our special manager of record incident of 12/10/2025. Do I hear a second?
Second.
All right. Commissioner D'Angelo,
Yes.
Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
Commissioner Safransky,
Yes.
and Commissioner Kate, yes. I didn't see any administrative reviews. Anyone else? Did we have? Okay, no. Okay. With that, anything else? Any comments, questions?
No?
Nothing?
No.
Okay. With that, I'd like to make a motion that we adjourn the meeting at 6:01 p.m. Do I hear a second?
Second.
All right, Commissioner D'Angelo Antonio,
Yes.
Commissioner Ramirez,
Yes.
Commissioner Safransky,
Yes.
and Commissioner Cade, yes. Have a happy Easter, everybody.
Same to you. Thank you.